Newton's first law states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. As you can see in this video, Newton's first law is present in lacrosse. When a player makes a pass or shoots, he winds up and swings his stick towards the net, and once the stick comes to the rest, the ball keeps going until acted upon by an external force. In this case, it happens to be the back of the net. As we can see from this memorable moment, the fans of Baltimore may be questioning whether or not Billy Cundiff took physics class in high school. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object as produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force, in the same direction as the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Field goals display this law because the ball goes in the direction where the kicker's leg is driving it, and its distance is determined by the strength and speed of the kick the kicker applies.
They can feel the pressure in football because it's a spontaneous sport. The place kicker, he has to go out there and think about it.
Utter disbelief.
You know, what a drive, even the chance to win the game by the Ravens.
Newton's third law states that where there is a force, there is another force of equal magnitude in opposite direction. As you can see here, both fighters deliver punches to each other's faces, resulting in a force from their faces to each other's fists just as great. In shot put, momentum is very important because it determines how far the ball travels. When a shot putter is in his windup, he is trying to get as much momentum as he can before releasing the ball. Since momentum is equal to mass times velocity, shot putters tend to be heavy set and quick during their release.
To see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten and the damned? He said, will you defeat them, your demons and all the non-believers, the plans that they have made? Because one day I'll leave you a phantom.
Friction is exhibited in one of the greatest sports of all time, curling. Curling is played on ice with brooms so that members of each team can try to guide the path of the stone by creating friction if they want the stone to slow down, or decrease friction by sweeping and trying to speed the stone up.
Here's the hammer in the eighth then for the seventh time today, thrown by David Murdoch. Well done by Scotland.